Create or edit reports with a single request using our AI assistant. When you find yourself missing a template for a particular exam, the AI assistant can create and populate a tailor-made template according to your specifications. I will now make a vocal request to create a report from scratch. CT abdomen pelvis with contrast, enlarged inflamed appendix with small tear and 3.2 centimeter pus pocket, small pelvic fluid, no free air or blockage, perforated appendicitis, urgent surgery, and IV antibiotics. Here, the AI assistant understands my request, creates a template that fits the request, and fills it up with the additional examination details I provided. Let us now see how the AI assistant can provide some smaller, more targeted modifications. In this draft report, I would like to amend the size of the abscess. Abscess size 4.5 centimeters. The AI assistant modifies this in the appropriate occurrence. In doubt, you can hover over the text message to highlight the modifications. The default input is audio, but you may choose to write your request to our AI assistant in written form. Here, I will ask for a more drastic change, removing an entire section. The AI assistant has modified the report. Note that the AI assistant will work whether the report you are working on is within your template library or if you use our automatic result insertion from a partner RIS. By creating a report from scratch or efficiently modifying a draft, the AI assistant of TechCare Report will accelerate and simplify your workflow.